Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, yellow color, purple color, green color, black color, red color, grey color, pink color, brown color, violet color, olive color, lime color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for chair. D for door. E for elephant. F for fan. G for gun. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kids. L for lotus. M for map. N for nuts. O for oil. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rose. S for school. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, purple color, pink color, violet color, black color, olive color, dark blue color, lime color, green color, brown color, grey color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for box. C for cow. A for avocado. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for gun. H for honey. I for insect. J for jar. K for kingfisher. L for lotus. M for monkey. N for nails. O for oil. P for piano. Q for question. R for ring. S for sky. T for tree. U for university. V for van. W for watch. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, olive color, black color, purple color, violet color, brown color, light green color, gray color, red color, yellow color, lime color, pink color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for arrow. A for animals. B for bus. B for butterfly. C for candy. C for caramel. D for dress. D for door. E for elephant. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fox. Let's try to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. 3 T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 5 F I V E 5. 6 S I X 6. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.